Shikeyo. Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Better. How are you?
I'm fine.
Sure.
Yes.
Go. Kwa tu kumkoma na chai ndo basa lake.
Niko dei baba chai.
Ndio kuta pumba. Kan dia rukoloba.
Forever. Nyasi. Machanya wangu kushita ya.
Ma bado ru blega.
Wewe mwana kadai.
Mami koloba yati.
Takai nonga.
Chinese. Yo, what's up?
Right.
Boss wangu. Tell me.
I'm sarbu.
Alright.
Agora sei.
Ndakana. Naona message yako.
Yeah.
Mbovuka pane ndapita kusata. Ndozawa kuti wajaira but
Urati gari pasi kana kuti. Chikono takamira. Sandoda kutaura zvinogona kuda kuti ugare pasi. Kana zvinogona kuti tizi.
Ndoda kuti saka ngatitaure jamira izoke. What's up?
I think we should sit down. Let's go and sit down.
Ndoda kanda shokiwa ndodona basi.
Well,
Kuna makomo kaisho to nyati to gudo makura ba makomo.
ani yati dogara msango. Msango munechi.
Amuna makomo.
Zone matombo.
Ora. Atinzwa nyaya kwene nyaya. Kana sina nyaya kundavwa basi.
Yangu ine nyaya.
Okay.
Asikuza kuti ready kunzwa nyaya yacho. But since ndakugarisa pasi. Zvina ndingokuudza nyaya yacho. Antunoziva few years back. Tichiri kuenda kuchikoro. And ndichangopedza iwe ngochiri kuenda kuchikoro.
Yeah.
Iona Vanessa. Mama chiri kuenda kuchikoro. Uchiziva?
Yeah, but pesi panotaurwa Vanessa pane chanakaita. What's up?
But apa tikwanise kuavoida Vanessa. Nekuti nyaya yacho inoinvolva Vanessa.
Okay.
Vanessa neni. Antunoziva kuti usati watanga kudanana na Vanessa iwo. Ndakadanana na Vanessa.
Yeah. Don't remind that wadana. Kasi wakumuda futi.
Kwete.
Okay. Cool.
Asikuza kuti zvakangoitika ipapo zvakapera ipapo ingwani.
Oh, she's single and searching so.
Yeah. As we know, sometimes it's good kungoziva munhu akadana nemunhu wako, you know. Because titongoziva kuti varikudanana nevamwe vanhu kudhara.
Yeah, I'm over it. You told me that before and I'm over it.
Nyaya iripo inyaya yaSidi. Ano kuti Sidi haasi mwana wasimba. Vanessa akaya kuno akandiona few days ago. Akatondiudza kuti Sidi mwana wangu. Nditori surprised myself kuzvinzwa. Zvinhu zviri kutondinetsa nanhasi. Ndachitoshaura kuti ndokuudza sei kuti Sidi mwana wangu.
Okay. Good for you.
That's it.
Yeah, that's it. What do you want me to say? First, ndakaudzwa ndizoni. Chekutanga ndakaudzwa ndiCD. Baba wake avasuzikana kuti vari ku. Second, pandanzi CD mwana watabvuma. Third, you have what Sidimwana wa Simba, and now you are telling me with the Sidimwana wago. What do you want me to say after that? You people, you always lie. No, I expected this from Vanessa, but from you.
As I told you, Panchana is here.
Oh, then.
I think takatongofanana. I understand kuti zvinhu zvinongorwadza kunzwa, you know, zvanga usikatarisiri. But I'm hoping kuti, you know, sezvinhu zvakaitika kare ngoni, we can actually move past it.
Okay. Okay, cool, Baba Shidi, sir.
But are you okay?
100%.
No, you're not the one that I know.
Well, this is the Ngoni that you know now. I'm okay, alright? 100% Baba Shidi.
You okay? But usaende kumpakawo. Handikuudze zvako zvokuita marriage yako ngoni. But usaende kumba usikotanga kunetsana naVanessa about it. I mean, I think it was hard enough for her to actually come to me to tell me this.
Okay. I'm just going to tell Vanessa. I'm happy for you guys. Magaida mwana saka. And they said this. So, congratulations. You are now a father. You are. Oh, whatever. Congratulations. You're a father. Nope. You are the father, okay? You are the biological father. I got no problem with it. I'm happy for you. I mean, I took a man for this time and now you have a grown one. So, another problem now. It's okay, it's okay. It's all good. It's all good.
Well, it's not only that. But the other story doesn't involve you anyway.
What's the other story? Tanya mwana wako futhi.
Asinto mwana msikana. Chazokudza about it. Ngatimbodeale nei ipere.
You and Vanessa mangofana. You people are just full of secrets.
What are my reasons sometimes?
Okay. I don't want to hear the reasons, Baba said to see you. Goodbye.
Kaka ndamukutorera ini. This.
Yo, masuk baboge. Oh, chu. Sorry. Out.
What's going on?
Bodora, go do bodora.
Ama, I know.
Why don't move from my sleeping tablet?
This is it.
Correct. You go naga. Okay. I'm going to bomb the boja.
And Sunday weekend.
Okay. To think.
Amen. Come chinko. Tukazira my sandwich. Are you sure you're okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure to the ball?
Yeah.
Sure. Okay. Zviri wedga.
So don't do that.
Oh, don't do
that. I'm just being polite and nice. Don't do that. Because don't go in here. Tell me a story.
Concerning?
I don't know. Just an interesting story.
Uri kubheva zviri weird. Wakutondivhundutsira mabatani. Wakutondityizidzira.
I'm sorry, I don't mean to. But it's just that, it's been a while since we talked. So I'm just hoping good for me. You have something interesting to tell me?
Ungurwara?
Nope.
Hanafa. Saka chi?
Mwana ndo walila ndeti? Ndo mai wake ndeti? Baba wajo ndini? Sidi mwana wako ndeti?
Batani, shapa kupi.
Sidi mwana wako.
Shapa kupi kone batani.
Sidi mwana wako here.
Mwana wangu.
Cool. Father. Who's the father of Sid?
Abatani. Kongo ende koko kanuzo shouzo, ndisho shouzo.
Vanessa. I know Tafuma. He's a very good man. Say, are you corrupting him? What are you doing to him? Because he will never do this to me. But you, however, on the other hand, you are a whole new story. So I tell you, what chicha ukambatira chechoti zvoni ari kuzviita zvese.
Sidi mwana wake. Saka, there's nothing I can hold. Ndandakambatira chokwadi all along. I just have to come out clean. Ndivenge because of the truth. You might call me a harlot. I don't care, Babatan. But it is what it is.
All these years. Uchichengeta secret yakakura kuda. Tafuma uye pana each and every single day. Apana kana power you waitoziziva zvako deep down kuti you was the father, but apana kana chokampota.
At least I wasn't the only one who knew the truth, Babatan.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't mean that I wasn't selfish.
You were.
I wasn't.
You were selfish. Why
I
was you
deprived myself of the happiness you all guys were having.
Wow.
Because I wanted the happiness yako, ndaida uchengeta the happiness ya Tafuma.
No.
The only person on ndakaudza chokwadi and the person who was there since day one was Simba. Wanzwa. People vakandiaccuse vakandibudana na Simba, yet it wasn't what you thought, guys. It was Simba is the only person akazi yanumbia Sid kubva iri nhumbu. Wanzwa. Even when I ran away, Sidaka and this komba kwana Simba. Simba knew kuti I couldn't stand it. Even nasumuka nomvunza ndinambobvira ndarara na Simba. Simba knew kuti mwana mukoma wake. There was nothing he could do. All he wanted to do was to keep the blood rananyati. Simba was just doing nothing but protecting blood rananyati. Chete.
You sound selfish. What did you think was going to happen to CD?
Because those are kufunga iwewe. Even I did what was
because
right
that's
for
who you
him.
are. That's in your nature to be selfish.
I did what was right for him.
All the decisions you have made are being selfish. Isn't that it? Huh? Pese paunoita ma decisions maitanya. You make sure kuti kusaidi kwako kuri right. Hapana paunombokonsidwa ma feelings evamwe.
Babatanya, which part of my side is right, Papa? Which part of my side is right?
Everything.
Yeah?
Everything.
Everyone.
Because you are.
I'm
That's
not.
who you are. That's in your nature.
Babatanya, and try to protect us. Try to protect your friendship. I was trying to protect your relationship. At the same time, I did this for Sydney.
Have you ever thought in trying to protect you were destroying us? Now look, Pataswika Manje, because of the truth.
At least no one died.
No one. Do you know what you did? No one died, Madam. Do you know what you did? You did more.
I've done nothing wrong. Andina chambetadzi. Andina.
Congratulations. I hope you're proud of yourself. Why try to protect the friendship yangu na Tafuma? Wanapata shika manje baza shika hizo. Because you chose to keep a secret. So good makambo dana, and it doesn't really affect me because we all have a past.
You knew Babatanya utinina Tafuma chakambo dana. It was a surprise, but you don't see any reason
you don't see any reason yekuti ndingatsamwa. Huh? You don't see any reason yekuti ndingatsamwa. And
you are crossing the line now.
Shut up.
Don't make you Babatanya. Something over the past. Kwanza, you knew kuti paukandona ndanisiri virgin. Meaning all this was supposed to come along. Saka you embraced it. I'm surprised kuti say wakuda kuzotanga kundita muipi nasi. Because you knew, yes, it was a secret body. Andina mwana ndakaponda, andina made a case. Imwenye mwana. Kana Bible chera katala be fruitful and multiply. I have multiplied. Is it a crime? Can I crime? I'm trying to come out clean. I'm trying to make things right. But I'm the bad person. So can do right. Because I made mistakes in life. Of course, I feel pregnant. And it definitely say, definitely visa numbiajo. Definitely ere. Daira, Babatanya. Was I supposed